Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's crochet today hair clip claw with plush yarn. So today we're gonna need any plush yarn you have and clip claw base. Also we need hook number 5, scissors, patience and a good mood. First we need to secure the thread on the base and start crocheting single crochets. This hair clip is very great idea for your market. It's easy to make and quick to make. It's very beautiful, soft, and it's so nice. And it's also a great opportunity to use all your leftover yarn. Now we can continue crocheting, and in the same time we can hide this thread. It's not really important the quantity of single crochets because our main task is to hide the basic of the hair clip. Continue here till the angle. Already made it, and here we continue our crocheting between these teeth. It's very important to have here distance between each tooth of our clip claw. Please leave comments if you like this idea and this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, share and like this video. Thank you so much. In the same way, continue till the end and then secure this thread and hide it, of course. And repeat the same for the other side. Yay, I already made this. Look, it's adorable. It looks amazing. And really is so cute, and what important, so trendy right now, and you can make it in any color you like. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share.